Let's view your client. Click the profile icon. Click settings. This you can see the Valorant vista. Click it. Click repair. Start repair. Wait for a couple of seconds. It will repairing your game files and folders. If there is any issue, it will repair it. After repair, the pop-up will appear. Your game file have successfully repaired. Click OK. Come back. Next step, search for run. Type the following text, %local app data. Here you need to search for Valorant. Click saved. Delete the web cache. Go to crashes folder. Inside any files and folder available means you need to delete it. Then come for next step, search for run. Type the following text, msconfig. Here click services, hide all Microsoft services and disable it. Once restart it, after go to next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click allow an app. Click change settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot client. Make sure it should be in a private and public mode. Here you need to search for Riot client and Valorant. Both should be in private and public mode. If it's not available means click allow another app and browse it. Go to C drive Riot client and browse it and add it. Here you need to browse Riot client and Valorant. Click OK. And next step you need to search for services. Click services. Scroll down and search for BGC. Right click. Go to properties. In this startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running mode. This is the important settings. So the startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running mode. Once complete after, go back. Then search for device manager. In this display adapter is tab. Need to update the display adapters. If you are using a certain driver, you can update it by using this. Then restart it.